Okay, the washer is in place now with all the frigolith removed. We have the power set on here. We have the water in, put here in the back, and we got the water out, connected to the drain system. The last thing we have to do before we can run first, we have to put the machine in even condition, so it will not lean forward or to one of the sides. What we have here, it needs a little more to the right side up, and here it needs a little more adjustment in the forward to be correct. Okay, we do that.